circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Growing love. Hello, my borders. Hello again. You're out of order. I'm out of pain. We're closing circles. We got no end. Another sequel about to land. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Growing love. Hello, my heart beats. Hello again. Between the worries, we head for land. I will be fighting to hold the line. We're never hiding, we never lie. And I'll be coming home, and you'll be going strong. And I know there is a reason. Now we're ready to be whole. Yeah, ready to be whole. And I'll be coming home, and you will be going strong. My love, infinity. And I'll be coming home. This is infinity.
I walk in shadows. No one ever sees me. I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out my window. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out the window. I just wanna know, whoa, am I insane? I sit in silence. Nobody can hear me, not even when I'm crying. I need someone to save me. I never know which road I'm supposed to take. Every choice I make gives me headache. I feel just like a ghost that you walk right through. I feel like a shadow. I just wanna know, am I insane? I just wanna know, am I insane? I never know which way I'm supposed to go. All I do is stare out the window. I just wanna know, whoa, am I insane? in silence. Nobody can see me, see me. Nobody can see me, see me. I wonder, can you hear me, hear me? I just wanna know.